What did you find?
A agave weevil.
Okay. What is it?
A beetle. Because it has an exoskeleton.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it a bug? Is it a type of bug?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's a type of bug. And it's another type of beetle.
Beetle. Oh. Are you happy? What do you call that again?
An agave weevil. Because it's like a weevil, but it's not. It's a beetle. It's like a agave weevil. It's an agave weevil because it's like a beetle.
Where did you find that?
Dunes, sa Mercury Drug.
Mercury Drug. Okay.
I saw it gapang.
Gapang. Where?
Dun.
On the floor?
Yeah. I saw it.
Are you not scared of that?
Yeah.
Why? Why aren't you scared?
Because it's not biting.
I'll say bye to them.
Bye-bye.